Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya Fisher and TU-L002. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is Zoya Fisher and it's a beautiful light baby blue polish with gold shimmers in it. Really fine, gorgeous shimmers. And I'm just going to go in with my first coat. And this one's a little streaky on that first coat and it starts off kind of being that way on the second coat. But I think it's because I was being a little stingy with the polish on the brush. I'm still learning how much to put on the brush with these shorter nails. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more to this second coat here. Make it even out right. But that's user error. That has nothing to do with this polish. It's a really good formula. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And I'm going to get it to dry down. I'm going to do some stamping today on these nails. And there is Fisher all on its own. This is TU-L002. I believe these plates can be picked up off of AliExpress. A friend of mine sent me these plates, but I'm almost positive that this brand is sold on the AliExpress website. So I did pull the blue film off, and I'm going to clean the plate with some acetone, and then I always wipe it with a paper towel. I've got my monocle stamper and Maniology scraper out today. And this is Beauty Big Bangs 001. It's a beautiful blue stamping polish. And yeah, I had to cover that whole image to get that little nail. I mean, you know, and I'm going to keep doing it for all the other ones that I'm stamping with it too. I've got to have all of the image filled in. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I really didn't know what part of it I was going to want until I held it over my nail. And, you know, kind of look through the stamper to see where the placement would land it and how it would look. But I really like this image. I bet it would look really pretty on long nails too. So I'm going to do this image on 3 of my nails, and then I've got another image picked out for accent nails. There we go. So I got all that image for that little bitty piece. And I like this one. It kind of reminds me of daisies. And, you know, since we are in that spring, summer, you know, right there on that line, I figured, you know, a bright manicure with flowers would be appropriate. So there we go. Got that on the thumb. And I'm going to do that same image on my ring fingernail as well. I really liked how well this polish showed up over the base color. It was really nice. I thought it was a good combo. There we go. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup with some tape. And then when I'm done with this part of it, I'm going to jump in there with my acetone and my cleanup brush. And I always like tone-on-tone manicures, you know, where you got a dark pink and a light pink, or, you know, I don't know. I just, for some reason, they just always make me happy. Having to make sure, getting all up under those little bitty short nails. I am going to top the stamping off with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And I had somebody ask if this peels on me, and it does after 2 or 3 days. It'll start like peeling up from the stamping level up. So, but I don't normally let that bother me. I did top it with Moonshine Mani. And there is my finished product there. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.